Hi guys, this is Tanishka and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in the lieu of Navratri, which is starting tomorrow, I did this super glam Indian get ready with me. So yes, without any further ado, let's get into the video and we will dive into the eyeshadows first. So I'm taking this NYX eyeshadow palette, Bright's eyeshadow palette, and taking these two shades to match my outfit and putting it on my crease and really focusing it on the outer V of my eye. Then I'm taking this shade from my Huda Beauty palette and taking a angled brush and very precisely putting it in the 1/3 of my eye. You can see how I'm cutting the crease, like I'm doing the half cut crease, but I'm really not using a concealer, and this is how it looks. You have to be really precise with your brush to achieve this look. Then I'm taking this Revolution glitter. This is a glitter paste. I'm applying it in the middle of these two shades to really blend them together and to add some oomph. Then I'm diving into this grayish shade from my MAC's palette and focusing it on the outer V of my eye to really deepen that up. Take very little at a time. You don't need to take too much, otherwise you are gonna mess it up. This is how the eyes look and I love it. And now I'm taking my gel eyeliner, Krylen's gel eyeliner. I use it all the time. This is my favorite. I'm not drawing any wing. After that, I'm just wiping any fallouts that I might have from the glitter. And then I'm going straight to my Kryolan HD primer and applying it on my cheeks, my T-zone basically, and using my fingers to blend it out. For foundation, I use my MAC's NC25 and LA Girl Pro foundation. I've been loving this combination recently. It is just so true to my skin color and looks perfect together. And I've also started using a brush instead of a beauty blender. I just like the coverage with the brush. So yes, this is a recent change. Now I'm using my NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer and putting it in the usual areas. To highlight, I'm using my Bobbi Brown's concealer in the shade Ivory, I guess, and yes, just highlighting the usual areas underneath my eyes, on my nose, bridge of my nose. Then I'm taking my K Beauty setting powder and just setting the concealer. I've stopped baking underneath my eyes. I just set it with a pinch of powder, and then I'm taking my Hoola bronzer and just doing the usual contouring. Also hugging the sides of my nose. And then I'm taking this eyebrow powder from Kryolan and doing my brows like I do. And then I'm taking this pencil from Miniso. This is an eyeshadow pencil and I'm using this kohl and applying it in my waterline. This is coral shade, and then I'm taking the same shade from the Huda Beauty palette again and applying it on the 1/3 of my inner lash line. Going back to the coral shades, I'm applying it underneath the rest of my eyes to balance the upper and lower lash line. For mascara, I'm using my Sephora mascara. That is my all-time favorite. I use it in so many of my videos. For blush, I'm taking this coral shade from my Kryolan blush trio. I've broken it. Classic me. But yeah, how beautiful is this blush? And then I'm taking this Marie Luminizer highlighter. This is a very subtle highlighter. I just love subtle highlighters. I don't like the over the top glow, you know. Applying it in the inner corner too. And then I'm taking my Illamasqua lipstick. This is in the shade Bare, I guess. I'm applying it with the help of a lip brush because I've broken the lipstick. Again, classic. Very classic me. On top of it, I'm using MAC's Meher. And that is done. I'm putting on my earrings and my bindi. Yes, so the look is all complete. This is the final look. This is the close-up of my eyes. I really love my eyes. I don't know, I really loved how the makeup turned out this day. I really loved it. This is very festive, you know, very Navratri appropriate. Not just Navratri, we are in the beginning of the festive season. This can be worn at any coming occasions. We have got a lot of opportunities. And yes, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time with another makeup look. So yeah, bye bye, take care.